Okay, so they managed to replace the LED in this map light in the mirror. It was a real pain actually. um, Most of the videos on YouTube tell you to pull down the mirror, uh, to pull it down from this mount up here, um, but you don't really need to do that. um, Basically you have to pry open this mirror uh, on the edge using a pry tool, and that gives you access to these bulb holders. But what's a real pain is actually, uh, when you pry open this mirror, it comes apart in two pieces. This is the back piece that holds these bulb holders, and then there's a front piece over here. But when you pry it open, what happens is these two metal clips fall out, and now I don't know how these two metal clips go in. I'll have to figure that out. And the other thing that happened is there is this, it looks like it's a guide, some kind of a guide of the for light to fall on. There's a circuit in here, which is sort of like, it might be a photosensitive uh, resistor or something like that. It's this one over here, maybe a photodiode or something, and this piece sits on top of this, and it sort of fell out. It's not a big deal. Hopefully, this has not been damaged, this photodiode or whatever this is. And this rod sort of goes into this hole over here, so it probably guides the light into it, maybe guides or magnifies the light to fall onto this photodiode. So that's a real pain because this seems to have broken off or something. I'll have to figure out. I mean, it goes back fairly easy. It does go back into that hole like this. It just slides back into this hole, so that's not a problem. But I just hope this photodiode has not been damaged. And the other thing that's a pain is that this back mirror, or actually it's a front mirror, just fell off. It's not a problem. Again, there's this small plastic piece here from which an LED light, you can see an LED light, but it's a protector. Make sure this stays in and you don't lose this. So that's the other thing over here. The other thing that happened is that these two small plastic pieces also broke, and I can't tell where they broke from, but basically I think at least I don't think I've damaged the lighting because it seems to be working. This is the LED I replaced. The other thing that's a real pain is the bulb is actually deep within, and so it's hard to get your fingers in there and pull the bulb out. So what I did is, in one of the other videos, there's someone who actually put a very thin needle or something like that from the other side of the bulb holder to push the bulb out, which is what worked. I was able to push it out from the back of the bulb holder, just because this is so deep and it's hard to get to from your fingers. So I was able to get the bulb out that way. And So those are the problems changing this. This is a real pain. That's the bulb I got out. It's yeah, it's the same bulb as what's used in the dome lights, which I replaced earlier. So the dome lights are these LED lights here, and I've replaced this light now. This one has still to be replaced.